In front of me is REALME C71 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit Accessibility and Convenience. Then click on one-handed mode and use this switcher next to use one-handed mode to activate it. Then tap on Pull Screen into Reach. And last but not least, to enter one-handed mode, pull down the top half of your screen by swiping down from the bottom, like that. As you can see, one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, you can swipe up or click on gray area at the top. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same now blue switcher. If you are using Tricky's navigation though, this option will be unavailable. To use one-handed mode anyway, scroll all the way down, click on one-handed mode shortcut, decide if you wish to use accessibility button or volume keys, and use this switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut to activate it. Then hit Got It and click on your shortcut to enter or exit one-handed mode. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!